Right, so as I said, we're going to be doing the tune Shady Grove today. How many of you are familiar with this tune? Anyone? Couple people? Okay, great. Yeah, so the Doc Watson version is definitely the most popular, but we're going to be going through it in a different key from the one that he recorded it in, and today we're going to be in D minor. What I'll do is I'll start by playing the tune for you all, and then we will jump right in. So here it goes. What we're gonna do is just go phrase by phrase. I'll go ahead and play just a very short set of notes and just try your best to play it back. All right, so let's get started with this first phrase. It goes like this. Go ahead and give that a try. So let's go ahead and go back to the beginning. Let's go ahead and put all of this together. So we're taking it from the beginning, starting with the lower octave. We're gonna repeat that and then moving into the higher octave section that we just finished. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. All right, well, let's go ahead and move on to adding in some double stops. And for those of you who aren't super comfortable with double stops, don't worry. They're gonna be some easy double stops. We're just gonna work mostly with open strings. So we'll go ahead and get into that now. What I'll do is I'll just go ahead and go phrase by phrase, just like we did when we were learning the melody, and I'll play for you the double stops that I like to add in. So in this first section, we're really just mainly gonna be working with open strings, as I said. So in the beginning, where we have open D, we're just gonna add in open A along with it. So it's gonna sound like this. So everything is the same, except you're just adding that A alongside D for those first 3 notes. All right, go ahead and give that a try. I know we've only got a few minutes left, but I would love to show you all the chords just so that you can have something to accompany the melody if you do find yourself in the situation where you're either at a jam session or something and want to back up whoever's playing the melody, or another option, if you don't have access to that or you're not ready to go to a jam session yet, is to record yourself and play the chords on top of that. That's always a really fun way to practice chords and really makes a big difference. So let's go ahead and start with this first chord. And of course, it's a D minor chord, and we play it the same way we would a D major chord. We're just gonna have A, our first finger on the G string, along with open D. So go ahead and try that.